On behalf of the faculty of the College of Health and Human Services, I'm pleased and honored to present these candidates and recommend them for degrees. My warmest congratulations on your success.
College of Health and Human Services. Ashley Nicole Adams, Nicholas Tyler Amato, Emily Nicole Ofterhar, Chandra Ruth Barnes, Amber R. Barton, Jonathan David Bolis, Destiny Renee Burley, Brooke Elizabeth Butler, Gabriella F. Callie, Megan Louise Chafin, Courtney Nicole Chambers, Xavier Cordonnier, Rebecca Lynn Davis, Emily Lynn DeLuga, Peyton Elise Bishop, Alexis Diane Durham, Jordan Elizabeth Esser, Joshua J. Phillips, Megan Lynn Freight, Lauren Nicole Galloway, Christian Nathaniel Gambrell, Courtney D. Galis, Melanie Ann Gill, Matthew Scott Gishel, Austin Daniel Green, Samuel Paul Grine, Jacqueline Carly Grenda, Brianne Lee Hackman, Brian Jin Ham, Nora Lynn Hernan, Annalise Marie Hedesheimer, Bailey Christine Hollerbach, Isaac Matthew Hauser, Amy Jensen, Danielle Nicole Jensen, Robert Zachary Jones, Aaron M. Karp, Amanda Lynn King, Courtney Lynn Kirk, Anne Marie Rose Kordaleski, Ashley Marie Kraft, Keisha C. Kraut, Catherine L. Locke, Oceana N. Lee Hicks, Caitlin Elizabeth Lewis, Kimberly Marie Lipstraw, Kristen Nicole Lloyd, Megan Grace Luchise, Brendan Joseph Marchetti, Kristen Marie McCain, Olivia Marie McGowan, Katie McKittrick, Alexander James Miller, Jacob Paul Mitnick, Nicole Michelle Oliver, Jordan Michael Parker, Ryan Allen Passarallo, Cameron Patrick Pauken, Kayla Ann Popke, Meredith Ray Pruitt, Aaliyah Shanae Rednor, Corinne Justine Riley, Emily M. Roman, Becca A. Rommel, Tyler Michael Roschert, Catherine Marie Roth, Erica Ruth, Kaylin C. Savage, Megan Schultz, Travis J. Syke, Catherine Rose Sistokis, Anya Elizabeth Shandall, Haley Schaub, Derek Joseph Sowers, Terrell Allen Lee Sproul, Lori Ann Stith, Ryan Sturgis Stoltz, Rachel Marie Suzer, Destiny Michelle Swain, Sarah Elizabeth Thompson, Ashley Renee Trasick, Lindsay Ann Wiles, Megan E. Werner, Donovan W. Wheeler, Vanessa Renee Williams, Perel Allen Wise, Emily Nicole Woolley, Brianna Marie Weiss, Alyssa Mary Yonts, Janae Shanice Young, Sydney Ann Zavoda, Nicole Marie Zen.